Guys, welcome to Cooking Masala. I am Amit and I am from Rishikesh. I hope you are all doing good in the lockdown period. Today we are going to talk about Indian masala chai. Before we talk about masala chai, let's talk about the spices we are going to use in the chai masala. This is what I call medical plate. We have some black pepper. Black pepper is warm in the nature and this helps our system with cold and flu. Then we have star anise. Another herb we are going to use in chai masala is green cardamom. Then we have clove. Another very interesting spice is long pepper. This helps a lot with the bronchitis problems, cold and flu. Then we have ginger. Ginger is an amazing spice for digestion and it also gives warmness to our body. You might have heard about black cardamom. Black cardamom is a spice that is very good with the women hormones. And last but not the least, another very important spice, mace. Mace is the flower of nutmeg and this spice helps with the mucus problem. The people who have lactose intolerance, this spice can help a lot to their disease. Now, after all these spices we blend all together, this is the result that comes out. It's our tea masala that has all these different spices in a right proportion. This is my family recipe, which is 55 years old authentic recipe, and today I am going to use the same blend to make the chai masala. The ingredient to make masala chai, the most important ingredient is the chai masala, that is the same powder which earlier I explained. Then we need black tea. I am going to use a special tea called Oolong tea. But if you don't want to use black tea, you can also use any kind of green tea or another tea. Now here we are going to use sugar. If you don't want to use white sugar, you can use brown sugar, jaggery or other sugar substitutes. Then we have water, half cup of water and half cup of milk. The people who are vegan, they can use soya milk, almond milk or rice milk. We are going to make 1 cup of masala chai and the measurement of the cup is 180 ml. Let's start to make masala chai. Now I'm going to put half cup of milk and half cup of water together. Many recipes will tell you first put milk and then after put water, or first put water and after milk. Let's keep it simple. If they both are on the same temperature, we can put them both together. And now for each cup, I am going to put 1 teaspoon of black tea. And for each cup, I am going to put half teaspoon of masala. Now we'll take the spoon, mix it together. Many recipes will tell you cook the masala chai for 1 minute, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. We will not focus on timing. We will focus on the boils, because maybe your fire is small, my fire is big, but boiling would always come on 100 degrees Celsius. Now, we are going to boil this mix and we'll wait for the boiling. We are going to boil it for 5 times. Now see, here it's starting to boil. As soon as it will boil, Either we will take it away from the fire, or we will put the fire low and still, so it will sit, and then we will continue the same process for 5 times. I repeat again, you do not have to check timing, you simply have to count the boil. After making few cups of chai, you will start to understand at what color we have to stop. Now this we can see, this is the one boil. I'll simply put the fire low and stir it. And if you don't want to stir, what the another step we can follow? This is the second boil. You can simply take it away from the fire and just simply stir it like the chai wala in the street in India. Isn't it so satisfying to see this tea boiling? Look at the beautiful boiling process. It's coming again. And as many boils, like this is already our third boil, and we can already see that the color is getting darker. So after making few cups of chai, even if you forget the count, you can simply look at the color. One thing, make sure that every time we boil it, it goes back. We take the tea down so we can use all the tea. This is our fourth boil. Now here is the time where we are going to add sugar inside. The reason why didn't we add sugar earlier, because if we will put sugar earlier, sugar will caramelized and it will become super sweet. Now for each cup we are going to put 1 teaspoon of sugar. If you want to put more, you can put more, and if you want to avoid the sugar, you can simply avoid the sugar. And now here we will take our final boil, which is our fifth boil. Look at the beautiful color of the chai. And after the fifth boil, our tea is ready, and we'll simply filter it. If you don't have filter, you can let it sit for a while. Now this is our chai masala, a very good drink, especially if you are in the cold, fever, or any kind of digestive issues. Let's taste the chai, and I hope you can taste it now, but if you cannot taste it, I will taste it for you and I will tell you how does it taste like. Wow, you can feel this tea straight here, and so satisfying. So guys, this was a chai masala recipe. If you like it, please let me know, and we will see soon with our new next recipes. Thank you so much. Have a spicy life. Have a spicy day. Thank you.